Morning, afternoon, if you're watching, you're welcome back once again to the Mikky Class, the channel so you dedicated to demystifying mathematics, make a complex problem look easy. Come along, we have a question on quadratic equation. It says if alpha and beta are the roots, that's the answer you get when you solve the quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation, and the quadratic equation is an equation in which the highest power of the variable is 2. Look at it, the highest power here, 3x squared minus 7x plus 6. X here, the biggest power here is 2. The power here is 1, so 2 is the biggest power, so it's a quadratic equation. We are now asked to find the value of 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. Now we use the root relationship for a quadratic equation. If I have a quadratic equation in this form, my alpha plus beta is equals to negative b over a, and alpha beta is equals to c over a. Now from here, our a, look at the quadratic equation, 3x squared minus 7x plus 6 is equals to 0. My a is this 3, my b is the 7, my c is this positive 6. So let's impute it. So alpha beta is equals to, alpha plus beta is equals to negative b minus b is negative 7 over a is what? 3. That's 7 over 3. Now alpha beta, c over a, our c is 6 over, what's our a? 3, which is 2. Now having found that, we use our identity 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. You can take the apply identity. This is the same thing as alpha plus beta over alpha beta, or you can see take the LCM. This is alpha beta. Alpha in alpha beta is beta, plus beta in alpha beta is alpha. Alpha times 1 alpha. Beta plus alpha is still the same thing as alpha plus beta. It's just like saying 2 plus 3 is the same thing as 3 plus 2. So alpha plus beta over alpha beta. Now alpha plus beta, we got it at 7 over 3. So 7 over 3 divided by alpha beta. Alpha times beta is 2 by 2, which is equals to 7 over 3 times, remove the division, introduce multiplication. This becomes, this like 2 over 1. So 1 goes up and 2 comes down. So this becomes 7 times 1, 7 over 3 times 2, 6. So the value of 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta is 7 over 6. I hope you enjoyed the explanation. You followed through and you're able to get what the value when you are asked something of this nature. If you enjoyed the class, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Mikky Class, a channel so dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problem look easy. If there's any aspect of mathematics you're struggling with, put in the comment section. I'll be there to attend to you. If you're here to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. To meet again in the next Mikky Class, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.